Hi, what's good, everybody? I'm Jake, and this is Squirrel Stapler, an interactive small hunting game. We're gonna hunt some squirrels. I'm not much of a hunter-fisher myself. I'm more of a hunter-gatherer. I like to camp. I've always my little brother is way better at hunting than I am. It's embarrassing, but that's his thing, and this is mine. Oh, I should have read that. And I will cover her in the squirrels of the wood. Wait, what? Saith the goat of the wood, thou shalt not staple squirrels. Yeah. In 5 days, God is coming. Okay, well, a little bit of a blasphemous turn here, but let's go hunt some squirrels for God and country. Use tab to orient yourself, map, blah blah blah. Come back tomorrow for another tip. You can run. Okay, where am I? I assume I'm here. Oh shit, I'd actually hunt a squirrel. I thought this would be some kind of like scary game. Okay. Oh. Yeah, I'm going a long way towards that, aren't I? Okay. What's over there? Who's gonna sneak away? Be peaceful and quiet. I hear the bastards. I'm gonna go find this girl. Should I just shoot up at the trees, or is there gonna actually be some squirrels? I hear you. Dang, this is interesting. Ooh. Did I get one? No, it just does that when you zoom in. I thought the red meant. Anyway. Shoot, do I have more ammo? 5 shots, 5 squirrels. I don't think I can miss shit. I don't see anything. I hear stuff, but I don't see any animals. Am I supposed to just shoot and get lucky? Or well... Oops. Did I get one? No. I was never good at this whole hunting thing. Well... I have to actually find the squirrel. Where are you, little squirrely squirrel? Squirrely. Squirrely. This is this is boring. Where? Is that me? I'm hearing all these noises, but I'm not seeing anything. I don't see a squirrel. I don't see a bird. I see ammo. Why would I need it? There's nothing to shoot. Okay. What was it? What was it? Where are you leading me? Oh, okay, I can just walk through stuff. Guess I don't have to take that. Grab the ammo. Where'd the ammo go? Grab the ammo. I'm not seeing any fucking squirrels. Only lies. Do I shoot the bush? This probably isn't helping. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I see no fucking squirrels. No, whoa. Hey, I don't know anything about that. Ooh. 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 That's not a squirrel, is it? Sometimes you just gotta stay quiet. Is that me ruffling, or is that a squirrel? I see nothing. Maybe I'm blind or there's something there. Do it again. Flash, I dare you. I'm tripping, dude. Am I looking too hard? What's going on? I don't like the cut of this jib. Just shooting aimlessly. Where the fuck are the squirrels? This is realistically irritating. Alright, back to the ammo. No squirrels here. Is there a time limit? I don't know what to do. Okay, this sucks. Welcome to the video. I didn't kill a single squirrel, everybody. I see a lot of good places to roll up, though. Yeah, it's a nice hike. It's a nice hike in the woods. I don't know if I'm supposed to just go by sound. Okay, so I hear the squeaking. Oh, didn't. Do these numbers mean something? 28, 26, 25, 23, 20. Saying. Do these numbers mean anything? What am I doing? Am I getting hot, cold? Am I just... Are these just coordinates? Because, like, see, there's nothing there. I guess that's just because... Am I supposed to get to those trees? Did I get one? Son of a bitch. Out of ammo. I don't like this game. Mainly because it's actually hunting. You gotta sit here and... They could have at least animated shit to aim at. I don't see nothing. I think I have to go strictly by sound. Just aim at the tree where I hear a squirrel and then hope for the best. I don't know. Ah, where was the fucking ammo? Where? Oh, where? Oh, where? This is not a fun game. It's kind of lame. I thought there'd be more narrative. I thought the squirrels would be easier to... I thought they'd be, like, attacking me. And there was some kind of, like, weird squirrel state... I don't like this game. I don't like this game. I think I'm going to end the video. You can end it. Oh, look! A fucking animal. A squirrel. I found a squirrel. I have no fucking ammo. Well, at least there is something to look at. Oh, man. I'm going to have to restart. 'Cause I don't know where the ammo is. Where's the ammo? Is that the ammo? I'm not going to find that squirrel again. Oh, it's another squirrel. Now I see the fucking squirrels. I can see clearly now. The squirrels are out. Hey, little buddy. I can't kill you. Can I stab you? Yeah. Yay. Let all the squirrels run away. Where was the ammunition? My map. Yonder. I don't know. Now I turn around to find I am lost in the woods. North to south, up is down, there's no squirrels. I am running out of ammo, and now squirrels popping out. What's that? We're back home. Now that the squirrels are popping, we are back home. Alright. Poison grass, do not eat. Oh, well, here's a squirrel. Found one. It was sitting right there in front of me the whole time. Am I crouched? I'm crouched. Have I been crouched? Yeah. I need to finish before I go back inside. I need more ammo, you bastard. Okay, so wait. Alright, just retrace your steps. That's all I can do. Came over here. Went up this way. And then I don't fucking remember. Be prepared, be prepared. And unless you got spare. Something about being prepared. Now go back to the squirrely spot. Way over here. Coming in hot. Coming in hot, squirrels. There you are, you fucking piece of bitch. I'll beat you now. Wait, where am I? Where am I? Okay. I'll remember this. I think I'll just go straight. Let's see. Okay, get down. Get back in square. What is this? This is most irregular. A note in the middle of the woods. Squirrels can survive a fall of much as 30 feet and can jump up to 20 feet. Well, if you didn't like my video, at least you learned something. Squirrel fact. Squirrel fact. Okay, here's a thing. Squirrel Haven right here. Now we just sit here, wait. Health? Why would I need health? Why would I need health? Nothing has hurt me. I'm indestructible. I am the hurter. I give pain. Do I need bait? Do I need to master the bait? Do I need to masturbate? Whatever it takes. Oh no, that's the ammo. What is this? Oh, poison! No, I'm in pain. Get it. Okay. I see what the health is for now. And I'm now fast as fuck, boy! Come here, you fucking squirrel. Gotcha, bitch! Hey! Getting the hang of this hunting thing now. I think I may be... What's this? What is this? Commit sins at the Shady Shack. Okay, well. This is our little secret, guys. I committed sin. With a squirrel. I'm not sure how I'm feeling about the energy in this video here. It's squirrels, killing animals, shady shacks, sacrilege. I'm out of tune. I would like another squirrel piece. Another squirrel. Time to get serious. I've had it. With these childish games. It's time to make my mark. I should probably stop running. That is not helping my kids. There was like an army of squirrels earlier. There was two. There was only two. I'm hunting rabbits. I can't do it. Squirrely squirrels. Right here. Don't you run away from me. It is your destiny. Shot in the face. I got you. Why do I run so slow? My energy drink wore off. My energy drink wore off. A big black bug with a big black bear. Squirrel call. You can literally put squirrel in almost any song. Just a lonely squirrel living in a lonely world. Yeah, you just play squirrel with girl, and you can literally put squirrel in any song. I'm trying to think. I can't think of it. Come to mind. Yeah, I'm on the spot. Trying to hunt. Trying to be focused. Trying to kill squirrels. I have no idea where I am. Where was the squirrely spot? Two more squirrels. Two more squirrels. Two more squirrels. Why does that bush look angry? Hey, you angry bush? Why are you angry? Don't eat my face. Look at me. Look at me all angry like that again. Look away. Look. Squirrel. I'll deal with you later. I'm gonna get that squirrel. How far does this rifle shoot? We're gonna find out. Pretty damn far. All right. There's a mighty fine rifle we got there. That's a mighty fine. That's it. What's it? I don't know guns. It's a rifle. I don't know it's a rifle. I thought it was a shotgun, but now seeing the distance. One more damn squirrel. I don't know where to go. Are there other animals to kill? Ah, I got you. Ah. I got sunshine on a cloudy day. I just hear you say what these words can do to me, my squirrel. Talking about my squirrel. That was disgusting. I don't like killing things. Where am I going? Am I heading home? No, I'm not. Back home. Here we go. Well, this was Well, this wasn't fun, but this was the game. I did it. I killed 5 squirrels. I did unspeakable things in a shack. I did that. That's just what I did. That's hunting for you. Thought I liked it? I don't. It's not fun. Okay. Back to my squirrel shack. Squirrel shack, baby. I had trouble with the stairs there. In 5 days, God is coming. Well, didn't it say that before? Where's my gun? I've hunted enough today. Okay. Oh, it's the same day. It's the same day. Let's go to sleep. Wait, I want some squirrel. All this hunting, I get no eating. The fuck? I don't like this room. Why do I have this? Why do I need this? What is this? Oh my God. Why? Why? Why would I do that? Why do I need to do that? There's a note in the other room that explicitly says I'm not gonna do that. And it's in the fine print. Under what I assume is well, it doesn't look like a star. Saith the goat of the wood, thou shalt not staple squirrels. It is by the goat. By the goat. Alright, guys, I'm not a goat. There you go. Now you're warm. Now you're... I'm gonna go to sleep. You are sleeping. And I'm dreaming of squirrels. Magnificent squirrels. Oh, the squirrels, how are you doing today? You feeling good? Let's go get you some more squirrels. We'll cover that. What am I doing with my life? Where am I? How did I get here? What happened? 5 days! It's still 5 days! Day 2. Oh, okay. What happens when... Dare I say it? What happens when God comes? Other than the obvious. One extra large squirrel. Oh, you're just demanding too much. Alright. You know what? I think I've had enough with this game. This is... Yeah, I don't know if I want to get through all 5... Hey, large squirrel. Is that a large squirrel? No, just a regular. Where's the largies? Where's the fat fuckies? I don't know if I want to do this all fucking 5 days. Just to, I don't want to know. I just can't. This is it. This is the squirrel simulator, guys. It's gruesome. It's awful. It's a good game if you like to hunt. I don't know where the story's going with this, but I'm not too sure. I wanna see where this goes. Maybe I might see where it goes. But this is the game.